Hello everyone, welcome back to Prashika's World. Today I'm going to take you with me on a travel series. I hope you're going to enjoy my travel vlog. So, this was the first time I was traveling by flight during the corona. Definitely we were very scared, but we ensured that we wore masks 24/7 when we were out in the crowd and sanitized our hands regularly before eating and touching our face. It's important you reach airport 2 hours before your departure time. We were ahead of time, but we were directed to the international terminal, which was wrong, and we had to walk to the domestic one. Luckily, we had completed our web check-in and therefore reporting 1 hour before the departure was allowed. I always believe that if something goes wrong in the start of anything new, the journey will be a successful one, and that's how it works for me. We started off from Chennai and reached Delhi within 2 hours 45 minutes, and that was our first halt. We had a halt of 4 hours there, and after that our journey continued to reach Jammu. From there we were going to take a prepaid taxi to reach Katra and do our Mata Vaishno Devi darshan. We walked to the other terminal from where we had to board our flight to Jammu. It was Christmas time, and this is how the decoration looked at the Delhi airport. The best part about this journey was that we were going to go from Delhi to Leh Ladak and then from Leh Ladak to Jammu. There was a halt of 10 minutes in Leh, and we were excited to see how Leh Ladak looked from a bird's eye view. It was very cold in Delhi, around 8 to 9 degrees Celsius, because of which we had to put on our jackets, our mufflers, our hand gloves and so on. It was just the start, because in Jammu and Katra the temperature would drop down to less than 5 degrees Celsius, and in the night it would be even 1 or 2 degrees Celsius. It was early in the morning, and that's why the look of Delhi was not captured that much on my camera. Now we were flying over Leh Ladak, and here you go with the beautiful images of this place. Here you can see that there is a frozen lake. Doesn't it look gorgeous? We were mesmerized to see Leh Ladak from the bird's eye view. It was snow everywhere and the mountains were looking so beautiful. This was the runway where we were going to land. Leh Ladak is a defense airport, and thus I could not shoot much when I landed. After the halt of 10 to 15 minutes, the journey continued to Jammu, which was less than 30-35 minutes from Leh. Now we were reaching the Jammu airport, and we were excited to continue our journey to Katra. This again was a defense airport, and I could not shoot a lot over there. I could see the military choppers and the military base over there. Once we reached, we collected our baggage and we moved to the prepaid taxi counter, which was just outside the airport. The charges were 1650 and we had to pay the toll, which was around 100 rupees, and the total journey we were going to cover was around 50 kilometers from Jammu to Katra. You can also get taxis from outside, but the only issue is you'll have to walk a little bit, around 500 meters, to reach to the taxi center, and it will charge you 100 or 150 rupees less than what the airport charges you. On the other hand, you can also reach Katra by bus or by train. We wanted to go by the train, but unfortunately all the trains to Katra had been cancelled due to the ongoing strike. The scenic view when you travel by car is definitely beautiful. In my next video, I will show you what I did on my way to Katra, and also I will show you the hotel I booked and when did I start my Mata Vaishno Devi's journey. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel so you're notified when my next video is up. Thank you so much for watching. See you.